Brother, if you can't speak English properly, you are missing out on thousands of dollars every single month. Not just thousands of dollars, you are missing on hundreds of opportunities every single month. Listen to me very closely. While you are sitting here speaking only Hindi, Urdu, or even Bengali, someone else your age is making $500, $1,000, or even $10,000 per month freelancing or running an agency or something, or building their own personal brand, making content like I do, or learning any other skill. Whatever they do, they are making hell a lot of money just because they learned how to speak English, how to speak confidently, how to speak clearly, how to be more articulate, and most importantly, how to fix their accent. Whether you are a 9-year-old kid or you are a 25-year-old adult from Karachi, Delhi, or Dhaka, from wherever you are, I am about to show you exact method I used to go from being I used to go from having broken English to confidently talking with international clients, speaking in front of the camera, and changing my whole financial career. Just becoming overall someone who can speak confidently in front of the camera, in front of anybody else. I make content speaking in front of the camera in English as you are listening to it right now. I'm about to share the exact steps that helped me become a better communicator, that helped me learn English, and these are literally the exact steps that I used to learn English. And there are some tweaks that I did to this because there were a few things that I wasn't having at that time when I started learning English, but you have at this time. So I'm going to tell you all of them, so keep watching. Let me fix my chair. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you have to start watching creators who make content in English, who actually speak good in a good way. The way I started, the creators I started with was Iman Ghazi, because his videos at that time was heavily animated. So let me tell you, when I started out, my English was just so damn bad that I can't even understand what people were saying. It was so hard for me to understand what Iman was saying at that time with those heavy animations, heavy stupid animations. I was still not able to understand what he was saying. But I kept watching him, kept watching him, and after a point I started understanding what he was saying. There were a few words that I can't understand at that time, but still I was able to understand most of it, what he was saying. Most of what he was saying at that time, because his videos was heavily animated. And at that time I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw a video of Hamza Ahmed. And when he was speaking just so damn fast with no animations on the screen. I wasn't even able to understand a single word. I closed his video, threw that away, and I started watching Iman Ghazi again because his videos were heavily animated. I was mentally masturbating at that time because he was making so many people mentally masturbate. You can make $10,000 every single month. That is a different story. I'll tell you in some other videos that how I got into that thing of making $10,000 every single month, and I didn't ended up making that money. I'll tell you that in some other videos. But right now you have to start with watching some creators who make content in English. It can be Iman Ghazi, it can be Hamza Ahmed, and let me tell you some good creators. There is Daniel and Heather. Their communications is really good and they teach you how to speak. There is Joseph Tassar, and there is Yasir Khan. Speaking with Yasir Khan. These are the three guys that I follow. They are like super articulate. They have best accent. They don't use any filler words. Their vocabulary is just so damn good. You can also listen to people like Jordan Peterson or any of these people. So, first of all, you have to start with listening these people. Listening to these people is actually diet for your brain, your language diet. You can start watching, even if you are a pro, even if you are someone who already knows how to speak English, you are good at it. You can listen to people like the old people who, not even old people. You can listen to speeches given by these famous people. You can watch the speeches of all these politicians that they have gave. There was a black guy, I forgot his name, what it was. He was known for his communication skills, his speeches. You can listen to his speeches, you can listen to the speeches where people are speaking English confidently, clearly, and using vocabulary that most people don't use. You can actually learn a lot of stuff from just listening to that. Just listening to what other people is saying, you will have that language right. Those words will get stuck into your mind, and you'll start using those words when you are speaking, when you will try to speak. The second step would be talk to yourself every single day. Now, not just talking to yourself. When I started learning English, I would just sit somewhere and I would start talking to my own self. That feels cringe, and that is actually cringe, what I used to do for no reason. But you can talk in front of a mirror. That is a lame advice that everyone gives. But how I now practice it, what I think is a better way to do so, is just start recording videos like I am doing right now. I'm recording a video. It might help someone learn English, and it is helping me improve my communication skills. I'll rewatch this video later on and I'll see where do I suck, where I need to work on, and everything, where I'm using the filler words, all of the aspects that matter when you're speaking. I'll rewatch the video and see where do I suck. You can just turn on your selfie camera and start speaking blah 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 blah, whatever it is. And just, if you don't have anything to tell, just start talking about your day, how your day gone, or anything else that you can talk about. I usually talk about the topics that I know about, and that is it. You have to just practice it. You have learned, you have got what to speak, and now you have started speaking, you have started practicing. And when you'll record yourself speaking, you'll rewatch those videos and you'll start fixing where do you suck, and you'll fix those things and record yourself again and again and again once you become good at speaking. Number 3, this is actually a bonus point that I learned recently. Not recently, it's been 3-4 months since I've learned this thing, but it is actually a bonus point. This is what will make you way more confident, way more articulate, and learn everything fast. Fix your accent. It has way more advantages. It is actually speaking with a voice model that ChatGPT has, Gemini has, and all these new AI models have these voice models you can speak to. They'll speak to you real time like a human. I was just speaking to Gemini. I spoke to Gemini for like 30 minutes today, discussing things, just clearing out my thoughts, just talking about how I can move ahead in my life. I had to discuss a few things with it. I asked for a few things. It was a long chat. I was discussing about my business and everything. Was just getting a little bit of help, and I actually tried fixing my English using that. He actually helped me fix my accent. I actually have a clear Indian accent, but still I'm practicing it I'm practicing to fix my accent. Another thing I did when I started was talking to people on Discord, because I will join some random Discord servers where there were people from foreign countries, from America, from UK, US, from France or Canada or some other countries, and I'll just start speaking with them on any topic I want. I joined Hamza's server, and there will be people who talks about self-improvement, who will be talking about self-improvement. I'll just go into that server and I'll start talking about self-improvement and everything, how I stay productive, just to stay productive, and we'll keep moving the conversation. And that is how I learn English. Now you have learned how to you have got the language right. You have to how to practice, a bonus point, and how I learned it. So we have got pretty much everything. Now when it comes to vocabulary, just start reading things aloud. I have like this book right here, I have a lot of books there. I just read them aloud. I just read some random paragraphs that I get from internet that actually have good language and everything, and I read that to improve my communication skills, and actually that actually helps me a lot to fix my accent, to practice. And one last tip, there is a bonus to everyone. You can actually try tongue twisters. like upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower, upper roller, lower roller. And there is Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper pickled. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where's a pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? This is the new tongue twister that I found today, and I'm not even able to say this properly because I'm speaking from almost from almost an hour. I'm just mumbling right now because of that. I'll just stop recording this video. There are so many tongue twisters, upper roller, lower roller, and there are so many other tongue twisters that you can start practicing. I'm practicing them every single day. I'm not best at English. I'm not even close to best to close to where I want to get to. So that is why I'm practicing every single day. That is why I recorded this video to improve my own communication skills, and it might help someone else become a better communicator to learn English, and it might end up helping someone. So that was the whole purpose. So bye bye. I hope you learned something new in this video. If so, just let me know in the comments what do you think, how I can improve my videos, how can I improve my videos and everything. Bye bye. We'll meet you in another video.